I interrupt your regular broadcast to let you know what in seven hells is going on in the stock markets right now. All the videos on this channel have been about matched betting thus far, because I believe it's one of the easiest and most accessible ways for people to make money online. I may branch out into other areas going forward, but we got a way to go with matched betting before I do that. However, I realise some people might be further along the line than others. Perhaps you've done well with matched betting and you're looking for something to do with the money you've made to keep that gain train rolling on. You might not have considered the stock markets before, but with the seismic global event that's unfolding in them as we speak, chances are it's at least crossed your mind by now. If you are thinking of putting some of your matched betting profits into the markets, I feel kinda duty bound to let you know what you'd be getting into, hence this quick video. First off, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I just want to make you aware of what's going on. In case you didn't know, putting money on a stock is akin to betting, and you can bet on the price to go up or down. Big institutions have long used this to their advantage, betting on a stock to go down, for example, then using the dark arts to make sure it does. In other words, fixing the bet in their favour. Recently, some big fish decided to bet on a few stocks going down as they'd done many times before, but this time a whole load of little fish came together through social media to form a resistance. So right now there's a price war being fought over a few stocks, with one side trying to drive the prices down into the dirt and win their bet, and the other side trying to send the prices skyrocketing to the moon and win their bet. An army of new traders and investors are piling into the market on a scale we've never seen before to join the fight for a big squeeze on price and bag an epic payday. Now, the markets are a volatile and unpredictable beast under normal circumstances. What we're seeing right now is the polar opposite of normal. This event, this mass participation, is unprecedented. That means unprecedented potential for gains and losses on both sides. This isn't matched betting. There's no guarantee on the outcome, so essentially what we have here is the world's biggest casino. Sure, you can use fundamentals and technical analysis to try and make informed decisions, but in the midst of the shitstorm that's blowing right now, form's kinda gone out the window. So putting your money on a stock, in particular one of the stocks in the middle of this tug of war, is akin to gambling. I mean, there's a reason the subreddit where this all kicked off is called Wall Street Bets and not Wall Street Guarantees. The value of your investment could go up or down. And that's all I want to say on this really. I don't want to influence your decisions, I just want to let you know what it means to enter the market in the current climate, especially with regard to the so-called meme stocks. These are crazy times, and you've got to look out for yourself, because nobody else will. You can't rely on Reddit user GoldenScroat69 to give you sound investment advice. And the trading platforms aren't there to help you pick stocks either. They get paid whether you win or lose. Those trading platforms are gunning hard for new users right now, by the way, and they're not picky about who they sign up. If you watch sport, you're probably used to back-to-back ads from bookies and casinos during ad breaks, but you might have noticed a surge in trading platforms taking up those spots recently too. They're going after gamblers. In other words, targeting people who are irresponsible with their money, even vulnerable, hoping to get them hooked on stock trading as well as sports betting or slots. Those folk who see an ad on TV, download a trading app while they're sat on the shitter at half time, and blindly throw money on a stock, might as well just open Paddy Power and put their money on the next goal scorer, because they're straight up gambling. It's not my place to say whether that's right or wrong, each to their own, but that's the reality. Trading on a whim without any form of research is gambling. So if you've got some matched betting profits burning a hole in your pocket and you're thinking about sticking it into the markets, just know what you're getting into. For the sake of transparency, I do have small positions in GameStop and AMC, and I am in the markets in general. I know it could swing either way, but I'm comfortable with that because I only put in what I could afford to do without. I'm not sure the same could be said for everyone though, and that's a concern. We're seeing an unprecedented number of people with zero knowledge or experience flocking to trading platforms, some of whom might be throwing down rent or grocery money. I can only hope it works out for them. For anyone who's yet to make a move, I hope this little heads up is helpful in making the right move for you, whatever that might be. Again, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money, I just wanted to let you know what's happening and highlight the fact that these crazy market conditions present an opportunity for crazy gains and losses. You could buy in at a good price and go to the moon, or you could buy in high and watch it fall. That's the markets. It's your job to assess the risk to reward, so do your research and look out for yourself. If you're totally risk averse, stick to matched betting, where you can't lose. Alright, all the best.